Hi guys, what are we gonna do today? Today we are going to use screens. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna paint on these screens. Let's get started. So what you're gonna need is a frame screen, some texture paste, some white ink, and some tools to put my texture paste on the screen, and of course, some stamps. This screen that I'm actually using today is one I had gotten off of Amazon, and I put it in my favorite things. They come as an off-white in the screen. So I just did a light wash of a very watered down black paint just to make it darker. If you get blobs in it, all you need to do is just pat the back and the little dots come out of the hole. If you're just using a regular screen that's already framed, most of those are going to be dark metal anyway, so you don't need to worry about that part. So I am using my white erasable chalk ink on this project. I'm going to ink my stamp. You want to lay it on some paper, otherwise your ink will go through to your surface that you're working on. So now you can see your image on there. And I am just using a texture paste, and there are so many different varieties out there now that you can find. You can even get it at the hardware store as a gallon container of a smooth texture paste. After you've been using your paste a while, it may get a little chunky, so you want to try to smooth it out as much as you can. And I'm just using these little spatulas, and I'm just going to fill in the whole inside. I'm not going to worry about the detail because we'll be stamping it again. So when your paste is smoother, it makes your stamped image come out a little more defined. You don't want it super thick, but you want it thick enough that when it sets, you can stamp into it and see the definition. Right now I'm just going to keep filling this in until the whole thing is filled in, using the outside border lines as my guide. Okay, so now I'm going to pick this up. You're going to have some of it that comes off. If you've had a lot come off in certain areas, you can just kind of lightly brush. Now, if you get it too thick, it's going to take a lot longer to start to set. So you got to find a nice medium there where it will set and you will get a nice crust over the top, but it's not so thick that the inside, when you stamp down, is very, very gooey. Now, I'm going to let this set. We'll come back when it's partially set and we're ready to stamp. Again, it's probably been about 50 minutes. It may be a little gooey, but if it gets too hard, you're not going to be able to stamp into it. So I just put some cornstarch on my stamp, just so it doesn't get quite as gooey. Now I know my flour is going there. I will do my flour first, line this up over this, and then press. If it's still gooey, you're going to end up with gooey things all over. And then you may have to add a little more texture paste and let it set again. I'm not going to press the end of this leaf in at the stem because that's where my floral is. There we go. At this point, it was just the right consistency to stamp it. So I think I will, you could let it dry more, but I think I'm going to paint it now. So this still is just a little damp, but I think it's going to be fine. You can use any paint you would like. You just want to water it down a little. So what's nice is if you're using a little water with your paint, you're really, even if you get a little on the screen, it's going to wipe right off. Let me show you right there. You can see the little dots. It's not going to want it here. All I do is take a baby wipe, put it in the back, and it comes right off. That's the one thing nice about that. But you do want to make sure you cover all of your texture. So I've got one coat. I'm going to let this dry a little and then add another coat on here. Okay, so I put a second coat on and I'm going to let this completely dry. This is completely dry now, and what I'm going to do is I'm using a black wash. There are probably several different ways you could antique this. You probably could use a clear and a dark wax. And even if it gets on the screen, once again, I can get this right off. I'm just using just a generic black paint with lots of water. And you can see, once again, my baby wipe under here, it takes the paint out of the edges where I've gone over. So I am just wiping back very carefully the black paint just to fill in the indentations so you can see the detail in the stamp. So if you had sealed this before you started this part, you probably could wipe off even a little more. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm going to seal it. I am going to seal this little guy real quick. It's completely dry. And you wanna be careful because you don't wanna get a lot of sealer on your actual screen. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of gold and a little bit of white wax to this. But you can finish off your piece any way you would like. So all I'm gonna do is just paint my frame. I hope you thought this was fun and easy. It takes a little practice, but whatever look you want and whatever you're wanting to do, you could try this on an extra screen that you have. But whatever you do, have fun.